190, State of Kansas versus Dakota. Michael, please state your appearances.
The state appears by Tara Athmer.
Judge Dakota Mandina appears in person via Zoom along with his lawyer Sue DeVoe, also via Zoom.
Thank you. And Mr. Mandine is currently in the Franklin County Detention Center. Ms. DeVoe, have you received a copy of the complaint in this new matter?
I have, Judge. I'm assuming my client's got a copy of it also. It charges him with 1 count of battery against a corrections officer.
Correct. I think he was first appeared by Judge Rush last Friday, I believe. So in regards to this matter, Ms. DeVoe?
Judge, I'm going to ask that the case be continued. I don't have discovery. Mr. Mandina is not able to make the $15,000 bond, so I will be requesting that his bond be lowered.
Okay.
He has family members supporting him, his father supporting him. He has always reported to me and stayed in contact with me on all his cases. He's not a flight risk. He has family in the area, again, very supportive family. So I'm asking the court consider reducing his bond to maybe $5,000 cash or surety. This is charged this way simply because my client was in a correctional institution. That's why the level is so high. He was in jail.
Ms. Athmer?
Your Honor, I do note at least a couple of failures to appear that I see on his III. And considering the nature of the charges, the state believes that bond is appropriate where it's at.
Okay. And it's my understanding that he was in custody at the time on May 21st when the alleged incident occurred. At that time, for some reason, the state didn't file the charges, and then they waited till after he was released.
They did. They waited until there was a plea in another case, and he was released.
Okay.
Well, no, that's not what happened. They were investigating the case, and he bonded out in the meantime.
I see. Okay.
And then the case was under seal, so we couldn't say anything about it.
No, I'm not suggesting that the state did anything improper. It just.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I'm just. The court will reduce the bond to $7,500 cash or surety with all the same restrictions or conditions. You just want to set this for a status. How far out, Ms. DeVoe?
Judge, if I could have maybe until that same August date that we just did.
August 27th
Yes, Judge.
at 1:15?
Yes, Your Honor. And that's by Zoom.
Yes.
Judge, and then I'll get in contact with my client. If he's unable to make bond, I'm telling him now that I'll try to ask that the case be moved up.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Matters adjourned.
You want one of these? Wait for it. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.